Hey y'all, so it has taken me forever to figure out how to fix a copyright music claim on YouTube so that I can get paid for the content that I'm posting. So all you have to do is click on the icon with your picture on it and go down to Creative Studio. After you click on Creative Studio, you want to go to the left hand side and you want to scroll down until you see content. So you're going to scroll down to the video that says ineligible. Once you click on that, you're going to go to see details. Once you click on see details, it's going to take you to the page that explains to you why you have been getting this copyrighted claim. In my case, it's because I've been using someone else's music, and everybody don't want you using their music unless you're going to give them some money for it. So I'm going to show you how to fix this claim. You're going to go to select action, and you're going to go to replace song for the time that it said you were copyrighted for. Once we get to the music page, it's going to give you a few options that you can choose from to replace the song that you're not allowed to have on your page. So I'm going to scroll and go to genre, and I'm going to click on reggae. Once I click on reggae and apply it, I'm going to also go to the option that says attribution not required. That option is basically to let you know that the song that you pick, you don't have to give any type of money to the artist for playing that song on your video, and that's what we want. We want all the money to ourselves. So once you apply that option, you want to go down and scroll to any song that you feel would fit your video. Once the song have been added, it's going to automatically upload to your video and replace the song that you was copyrighted for. And if you did it correctly, the copyrighted red claim is going to now turn into gray. We're almost done. Now you want to switch the off to on just to ensure that you get monetized for the new updated content. Once you click next, you're going to go down and just make sure that the content that you uploaded doesn't violate any of YouTube's terms or policies. So after you read everything, you just want to click on none of the above, and then you want to go to submit. Very easy, right? And now there you have it. Your monetization is back on. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel at Ashlae Nicole.